Okay. Hi there. I don't know how to look at the camera, but Cedric, I'm making this for you to show you something that your brother and I DIY'd. All right. This is made, if you haven't recognized it, from a cotton T-shirt sleeve. What you do is you go, here's the shirt, and there's the seam line, and then here's your shoulder. What you do is you cut it on the shoulder side of the seam line. So kind of like we did here. So you got a little bit of extra stuff. Okay, so now you have a DIY, so simply made, don't have to sew it, mask. Okay, and you always want to keep track. You want to put the seam side in towards your in you, so that if you take the mask off and you have to put it back on again, you're not turning it the wrong way, and now all the germs that were gathering on the outside will be touching your face. So I always say seam side in and to the back, kind of just like a tag. And you stick it over your head. Make sure it's still seam side in. Pull it down over your chin. And then this part kind of can go in your collar or whatever. And I kind of fold it a little bit. It looks sort of stupid, but it actually works quite well. So there you go, your own DIY mask, and it's really simple. So find a bunch of t-shirts you hate, mostly cotton, please, and make your own mask. We love you. Bye. You can also cut the pockets out of skirts and other clothes. Cut the pocket out and then cut the curved side where your fingers usually go in the pocket, and cut that out. And pockets also make really great DIY masks. Now, granted, this is only one layer, so it's best if you can take two of the pieces and put them on together, because two layers is your best friend. Love you. Bye.